The Prime Minister of Pakistan, Mohammad Shehbaz Sharif, visited FIFA World Cup Stadium 974 in Doha, Qatar today. Upon arrival at the stadium, the Prime Minister was given the guided tour of the stadium and was briefed on the extensive preparations undertaken by the Government of Qatar to host the FIFA World Cup 2022. The Premier lauded the efforts of Qatar in establishing state-of-the-art facilities for one of the biggest sporting event on the globe. He praised the grandeur of the football stadiums and associated facilities, depicting the Qatari culture and identity, built in a short span of time. Recalling the less than 100 days countdown of FIFA World Cup, the Prime Minister wished the people and leadership of Qatar a resounding success in the convening of the mega event. Besides underlining the important contribution of Pakistani workforce in building the World Cup related infrastructure, the Premier expressed that Pakistanis were proud of the fact that the Football Al Rihla, the official match ball of FIFA World Cup Qatar 2022, is made in Pakistan.